Hi, fifth graders. Mrs. Iwanski here. I have my Sphero and I've been doing some work on this day two stuff. So I'll show you. Here's my iPad. I'm just covering up what my code looks like so that you need to figure it out on your own. Okay, so on day one, you learned about rolling and speed. Today, you read through these directions. And then eventually you got to the work to today, which is to create these shapes. And so I created my square, and I'm just going to show you here. Here's my little Sphero. And if I click start on my iPad, my Sphero rolls in a square, and I can see that really well. It's back to where it started. I can see that really well, but because your teacher isn't going to be able to always jump around and watch your things in real time, what you're going to do is to take a screenshot of some sensor data for them. So your Sphero, when it does these designs, it runs a sensor, which is tracking where it moves. And that sensor data is stored up here at the top. So all you need to do is to click up here in this corner, the three little dots, and then you say sensor data, and it pulls up a little map or a little sensor data of what it is that your Sphero just did. And you can see on that sensor data that my Sphero made a pretty decent, it looks rectangular on there, but actually if you look at the, oops, gotta pull my poster out of the way. If you look at the X and Y plane, you can see that the numbers are actually pretty similar, that the distance traveled on each side is about 30. So all I need to do now is to put a picture of this into my slide so that my teacher can see that I completed this task. So you will simply go to Insert, Image, and Camera. It'll turn on your camera, and then you can go ahead and hold this right up to your camera and say picture, and then insert, and then plop that picture right on top of where it says, oops, where it says to place image here. If you want to clean up the image a little bit, you can certainly crop some of the things off of it depending on how organized you were in taking your picture so that your teacher can really see that you accomplished this task. So I might make it just a little bit bigger and crop some things off the side so it looks just like that. There's three shapes in today's lesson. There's the square, there is the triangle, and then the challenge one of the day is you can choose either the pentagon or the star. So you need to finish the square and the triangle, and then the pentagon and the star are your challenge ones if you finish those other two. Good luck. Hopefully this video helped a little bit in getting that picture in there. And I look forward to hearing from your teacher on how you do on these tasks.